Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So, it is the month of June, and since we got Unreal Engine 5 early access, we also get 5 new free assets which are absolutely free. They are in the marketplace of Epic Games. So as you can see, these are the 5 assets, so we're going to go through them one by one. The first assets, which originally costs $60, it's now absolutely free. It's called the third-person story adventure template, which is basically a template. Damn, I'm stuttering. A template or a framework for creating story-based games with environmental interactions, dialogues, and more. So it's basically a ready app or a ready template for these type of games. That it's like when you have your loading screen, you have your user interface, you have your options, and then inside the game you have your environment, you have your user, which is your actor, and of course you can interact with a bunch of items, a book, a mug, whatever you want. So you can customize that inside the game, as you can see, and you simply put whatever item you want in the checked boxes. And yeah, that's the first one. The second one is, so if you ever wonder where you can find this stuff, simply come to the Unreal Engine Marketplace and simply click free and then free for the month, and you will find the stuff that are free for June. So the second asset is the Point or the Pro Instance tool plugin, which originally cost $30, but now it's free. So this one is a very useful asset, because it helps you control how things are placed. So for example, if you want these railroad to follow a certain pattern, you can simply choose the item that you want to be repeated in a certain path, and then you simply create the path and it will be repeated at that path. So it's pretty dope, and it also can be used for making a modular box that gets repeated on a large scale. Or maybe you want to make these random, that look random but they're not really random. So yeah, it's the use is absolutely amazing, and I think this should be very useful. So let's check it out. What else does it have? So the Pro Instance system, it can make circles, grids, path scatter, or scatter. So yeah, very nice, very cool. Next is, let's go back to free for the month. Oh yeah, the Slided Forest. So this one is pretty simple. It only costs $20, but now it's free. So you can have this if you want to make one of those Zelda Breath of the Wild forests. It's a very let's say small package because it only has 8 types of plants, 10 types of stones, and 18 types of trees, logs, branches, and stumps. So if you go right here, so this is the environment that you can create by using only the stuff that is in this package. Of course, you can add more stuff. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. It's very clean in my opinion. If you add some anime, not some anime, some cartoonish looking characters, kind of like Zelda, I think it would fit very well. And these are the assets right here. So as you can see, so these are all the assets that you are able to use. Of course, you can add your own. And yeah, that's the entire asset, the Slided Forest. And the asset number 4, that's free for this month, is the Underground Subway, which originally costs $40 and it's absolutely free now. So let's check it out. This one is simply all the assets needed to make a realistic underground subway. It even includes the decals and all the decay features and all the graffiti. I think there's some, yeah, there it is. So there's a bunch of graffiti, everyone is dead, they are coming. Maybe you want to make a zombie game where it's an apocalyptic game when you just woke up and you find all this stuff graffiti on the wall. And of course, all the decals right here that you see on the wall is ready up here in this asset. So it's very nice. Everything you see here is included in the asset, and you can simply place them however you want and make your own subway environment or something else, of course. So let's check out what it includes. So 125 plus unique props to help dress the scene, 30 plus modular assets used to build the infrastructure of the level, and 35 plus grunge, graffiti, and decay decals, along other stuff, of course. So you are free to check this out on your own. And next, for the final asset, it's gonna be the modular assembly replicated. What? It's the modular low poly robots, right? So I've already checked this out. I absolutely love this one. So originally it cost $25, but now it is absolutely free. This one can help you create your own online robot fighting game, believe it or not. So if you ever thought about making one of those online robot fighting games where you can customize, build your own robot. So as you can see right here, right here. So you can make your own robot. So this is your own robot, and it has a multiplayer like integrated system where you can make it like that people can like fight against each other. So you customize your own robot, you build whatever robot you want, and then you can fight against other players, which should be awesome. So it says set of controlled modular low poly robots with multiplayer system. Yeah, I haven't really tried this, so I'm keen to see like I'll check out this video right here to see how this works. Maybe it is like super useful. And yeah, let's see. Big update: added multiplayer support, improved stability of the movement system, improved real interaction with simulated objects, and many minor fixes. So yeah, this looks very promising for game design. And of course, since Unreal Engine 5 is here, that would be super dope. So yeah. Among these 5, I highly recommend you get this one right here, the storytelling like template, the Pro Instance tool. This one is very useful, and these two. This one is still to be decided for me. I need to check out the video to see if it's actually like worth downloading. Other than that, yeah, these are the 5 new assets right here. And if you ever like wanna download Unreal Engine 5 right here, so as you can see, I already have it. If you go to the library, as you can see, I even downloaded the Valley of the Ancient demo. It is of 100 gigabyte size, so you need a really long download time, and you need to clear up some space on your hard drive. So if you ever want to like download this stuff, I'll leave a link in the description box below, or like you can find a link here in the top right. Just click that and you'll be able to download Unreal Engine 5. And yeah, that's it for the month of June. If you guys like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, do all the cool YouTube stuff. It really helps the channel a lot. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying my content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.